Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today is Keto Friday and today I'm making lovely keto mushroom stroganoff. Yes, it's so creamy, perfect creaminess is there, perfect flavor is there, and you're going to literally delve into the flavor of it. So let's begin with it. So for this lovely, creamy, amazing mushroom stroganoff, I am going to first begin with heating a non-stick pan. And to that I am going to add olive oil that would give a lovely flavor to the mushroom. I love the flavor of mushroom with olive oil. It gives a beautiful taste to my mushrooms. And so here I have dropped the olive oil and now I am going to let it heat a bit, and then I'm going to add some finely chopped garlic. Yes, I have to add a heap of garlic to give that lovely flavor. Garlic and mushrooms, they go very well. Just saute it a bit and don't brown it. Let it turn a bit of transparent and then add the finely chopped onions. I have added very little onions. Just open it up with the help of the spatula. You have to just mash the spatula on the onions and they will open up, and as it is, it will open up when it gets a bit cooked up. And here I am adding thyme. Yes, I have added dried thyme, which gives a beautiful flavor to this dish. See, the thyme, the garlic, they really play a lovely role in this stroganoff. And here comes the diced mushrooms. Yes, these are your button mushrooms and they really go well in this dish. Saute it a bit and they will start, the water will start coming out of the mushrooms. So just saute it a bit and slowly it will get cooked up. I am cooking this on a high heat so that the water evaporates even. See, beautiful. Can you see? And now I am going to add some salt so that more water comes out from the mushrooms and it becomes more juicy, more tender, but I want the crispiness even. So I'm not going to overcook the mushrooms. Just sprinkle the salt. This will give a lovely flavor to the dish. Yes, it is the backbone of the dish. Any dish you cook, sugar and salt are the backbone of the dish. They should be perfectly added, otherwise the taste changes. So now I am going to saute it a bit. This is a perfect dish which can go with any accompaniments or as it is. I have it as it is only. I love this dish. So in fact I love this with the cracker even. I just top my crackers, keto crackers, with this dish. Add some mustard sauce. This gives a beautiful taste to this recipe. This is optional. If you want to add, otherwise no need to add. If you don't want mustard sauce, don't add it. Just saute it a bit. All this will give a lovely flavor to the mushroom stroganoff. I love the name stroganoff. I don't know what it means, but it sounds good. And now I am going to add some Greek yogurt. Basically they add cream. I am going to add cream, but I wanted to have a bit of sariness. So if I am adding some Greek yogurt into it, and this would give a lovely flavor to my stroganoff. That is my personal touch to this stroganoff. This gives a lovely taste. And see how juicy it has become. Can you see the creaminess? So creamy and luscious, it looks beautiful. And now I am going to add the cream. Yes, I am going to add the actual cream, that is the fresh cream. Add a little bit of cream because I have already added Greek yogurt. So I am not adding much of the cream. If you want to omit the Greek yogurt, then add more of the cream. Now I am not going to saute it for more minutes, otherwise the cream will break and become butter. I don't want that. I want the cream to remain creamy and give creaminess to this dish. So I'm just going to give a single boil and I'm going to shut the stove. See, it's done. And now I'm going to add black pepper powder into it. This will give a bit of spiciness, even a little spicy flavor will come to this dish. And my dish is done. So I'm serving this now. Perfectly cooked. See, doesn't it look beautiful? I'm just picking a piece. You can say it's al dente, you can say. And this goes inside my mouth. Yes. Wow, it's amazingly creamy. Lovely, a tinge of sariness, you can say. And it's really awesome. So if you have liked it, just go and make these keto mushroom stroganoff. And before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.